요요요 맛있어 배추김치 오이김치 총각김치 열무김치 갓김치 고추빼기 고추김치 깻잎김치 김치김치 알럽김치 유럽김치 위럽김치 Everybody 김치 Everybody 김치 Everybody 김치
Wow! Is there any chili in there?
No, 조금 chilli. I'm sorry. But this kimchi is winter special edition kimchi, full of vegetables and fruit and sweet and sour. You would love it. First of all, chopping time. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna chop the cabbage first. And then cut other sides as well. One by side. Ready! And then spring onion. You need to cut them 4 centimeter length. Like this, like that. Okie dokie, ready! Beautiful pepper time! So cut the pepper. You need to cut same size as cabbage. Okie dokie. This is no brainer. And yellow and green as well. And then herb green. Ready? I love apple. We love apple. Apple, apple. 물김치 is more like dessert kimchi in Korea, so we often put fresh apple or pear in the kimchi, so kimchi can be even more sweet and yummy. Even children love it. So this is apple time. Cut same size as pepper and cabbage and other vegetables. Look. Apple is ready. Radish, radish, radish time. You need to cut same as apple size. Cut slice. Okie dokie, radish is ready. Radish is ready. Ready, ready, super ready. Swimming time. We need to add water until all the vegetables are covered. Look. And then cabbage. And then we need to add vinegar and salt, each bowl. Vinegar first. 4 tablespoons and mix. Enjoy the swimming. And then for the paprika, we're gonna add salt. 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Righto! So these ladies are gonna have lovely bath for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna go and make kimchi sauce. This is 물김치 sauce time. Yeah! We're gonna make 물김치 sauce. We're gonna add all sorts of beautiful ingredients in our blender, and then we'll make super easy 물김치 sauce. Let's see. First of all, with onion. I prepared color onion, but you can use white onion, brown onion, any onion is fine, all great. And Mr. Garlic. And then I prepared 100% pure apple juice. And then I prepared boiled warm potato, which will bring super kind bacteria to your kimchi, so it will be fermented more well and nicer. Taste nicer. Come on. Jan, jan, jan. And then let's blend. Exciting! Exciting! Ready? Super ready? Okie dokie! This is winter special kimchi's final step. We need to add our sauce in the bowl. It's nice pink color. And add water. And then we're gonna add vegetarian fish sauce, 4 tablespoons. And then you can add 1 table or 1 table and half spoon of salt. You need to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, but it is optional. Okie dokie, let's stir well. And then we can add our vegetable. They had a beautiful bath and I drained them well. So put them in. And then our pepper as well. And then spring onion and apple. And then mix. Alrighto! Now then, you need to put our mul kimchi in the container and leave in room temperature 24 hours. And then move to refrigerator and another 24 hours. Wait. And then finally, you can try our lovely winter water white fresh mul kimchi. Let's try. Where are we?
We are in Iceland.
Ooh, it's very cold.
It's very freezing.
Yeah, it's perfect to try our winter kimchi, mul kimchi. Shall we try that?
Let's try. That's really nice. It's very sweet. I can understand why you say it's dessert kimchi.
Yes, now you know.
And now I do know.
Yes.
Do you know of any other ways, by chance, how to eat this kimchi?
Actually, we have very popular way to eat this kimchi. Okie dokie, let me tell you one of the most popular way to eat this mul kimchi in especially winter time. First of all, you need to boil the instant noodle. Any noodle is fine. And then you need to wash them in the cold water and drain well and add in the bowl. And then you need to add our mul kimchi on the top. How colorful! And then add boiled egg. This is super easy. Only take 4 minutes and it's so low calorie. And you can eat this in winter time so quickly and then have a rest. Ooh!
Wow, it looks super tasty. Let's go somewhere warmer to try it though.
Of course, I will put the fire on and then we can try our mul kimchi noodle tonight.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm going. It's too cold here.
Yeah, too cold. I hope you stay in warm and hope you enjoy our Mul Kimchi. Why not?
Why not?
See you again.
See you.
추워.